Welcome to the Bennett 212 condominiums, located in ever-burgeoning Hudson Heights, where downtown style meets uptown prices. With Fort Tryon Park and the Cloisters Museum just to the north, quality restaurants and shopping all around, plus the Express A train and the number 1 train, just a few feet from the entrance to 212 Bennett Avenue, the area is perfect for those buyers looking for peace and serenity while still being less than 20 minutes from Midtown. So let's go take a look at this 40-unit condominium building. Here we are in one of our model 2-bedroom, 2-bath residences. This area apartment is 1,133 square feet and combines the high-end finishes and amenities that discriminating buyers want with the ease of ownership and incredibly low monthlies you need. A super spacious and sun-drenched master bedroom is 24 feet long and has a private bathroom with jacuzzi tub as well as 2 closets, including one roomy walk-in. The second bedroom comfortably fits a queen-size bed and looks out on a lovely private terrace. That terrace is accessible through floor-to-ceiling sliding doors in the living room. The open kitchen comes filled with custom-fit solid maple cabinets with glass and aluminum accents and full extension soft closed drawers, providing plenty of storage. Caesar stone counters give ample room to prepare meals. The stainless steel appliances include a Fisher Paykel dishwasher drawer and a high-end gallery-style refrigerator with ice maker, a built-in microwave as well as a chef-caliber oven with fully vented stainless steel hood complete the stylishly efficient space. The bathroom has beveled subway tiles rising to the ceiling, a sleek modern sink that lips over the vanity, a glass-enclosed soaking tub, and for that eco-touch, a dual flush toilet for water conservation. Across the hall is one of our 1-bedroom model apartments. At approximately 750 square feet, this roomy home has all the same beautiful touches as its bigger brethren. A Bosch washer-dryer, individually controlled central air and heating system, a video intercom, and true oak floors throughout, plus a special twist. Its private balcony looks out on a bucolic view of leafy trees and marvelous granite rock face that instantly transport you out of the rush of city life. This same scenery will be found on the soon-to-be-completed common roof deck that offers gorgeous views of lush greenery as well as sweeping city views. Bennett 212 will also have space for private storage areas and a bike room. The building has a 25-year tax abatement, which helps keep the monthly common charges and taxes so low. They total less than $225 for 1 beds and a mere $330 for the 2 beds. So thanks for joining me on this tour, and come north to the beautiful Bennett 212 condominiums, where you can still own a piece of Manhattan without mortgaging your future.